Hello, everyone. Today, we will discuss an important topic, understanding the causes of autism. Autism, or Autism Spectrum Disorder, is a neurodevelopmental condition. This means differences in brain development begin early in life. Many parents and educators often ask, what causes autism? Let's understand what research tells us. First, it is very important to clarify, autism is not caused by poor parenting. It is not caused by lack of love, emotional neglect, or discipline style. As special educators, we must actively correct this misconception when speaking with families. Research shows that genetics play a strong role in autism. Autism tends to run in families. Certain gene variations are linked to higher likelihood. Sometimes multiple genes work together. This does not mean parents did something wrong. Genetics are part of natural biological variation. Brain imaging studies show that children with autism may have differences in how certain brain areas connect and communicate. These differences may affect social understanding, communication skills, and sensory processing. Autism begins during early brain development, often before birth. Some environmental influences may increase risk when combined with genetic factors. Examples include advanced parental age, premature birth, low birth weight, and certain prenatal complications. However, these factors do not directly cause autism. They may only increase likelihood in some cases. It is equally important to discuss what does not cause autism. Vaccines do not cause autism. Screen time does not cause autism. Parenting style does not cause autism. Large scientific studies have consistently confirmed these facts. As educators, we should rely on evidence-based information. There is no one single cause of autism. It is usually a combination of genetic and biological factors that influence early brain development. Every child's developmental pathway is unique. Instead of asking, why did this happen? We should ask, how can we support this child? As special educators, our role is not to investigate causes, but to provide structured support and individualized strategies, and create inclusive environments. Autism is a difference in how the brain develops and processes information. It is not anyone's fault. When we replace blame with understanding, we create stronger partnerships with families. Thank you.